Hi guys, so I know if you've been following me for a while or you've been seeing my posts, you know that I love to simplify. I like making my things very simple, no too much noises, because at the end of the day, right, when we trade to make money, and there are many ways to make money. There's no one particular way or only one way to make money. So let me just give you a brief analysis of this pair, my British pound Japanese yen. Normally that's the pair I'm still trading. I gave a trade last week, or rather I posted a trade last week, and it was this week that it hit I take profit. This is a 4 hours time frame, so when you switch to the lower time frames you see it. So looking at this place, this has been a zone, this has been a supply zone, right? This has been a supply zone for at least, this is the third week now it's coming back to this zone, right? So looking at this zone, for each time price came, it came down, price came back to this zone, came down, came back to this zone, came down, came to this zone. And if you look at it, these are higher lows, right? Higher lows, because this high is higher than this one, this high is higher than this one, this high is higher than this low, so it makes it higher lows. But it's not making higher highs, it's just making higher lows. Normally when price makes this higher lows, it breaks upwards. And last week, looking at the economic news, the GDP of British pounds was positive, right? It came out as expected, which means that the British pound is strong, right? It's bullish. But then we have employment change. Let me show you guys. We have some economic news that are coming out tomorrow, right? So I'm not trading this week. I'm not trading today. After hitting my take profit, I'll wait till tomorrow when the news comes out, because sorry, just a minute, continue. So tomorrow we have some news. Tomorrow is 15th, right? Tuesday we have employment rates and we have employment change for the British pounds, and we are expecting the employment change to come out as 4.6 from the previous, which was 4.1, which will make it positive if it comes out 4.6. And also the employment change before was 265,000, and the predicted, or the expected, the one we are expecting, was 40,000. So let's see what happens tomorrow. And also looking at it, back to our price, for each time price makes a higher lows without making higher highs, there's a resistance at this point, right? Normally price usually breaks it up, but we don't want to predict, we just want to react. So we'll wait and see what happens. So rather I put my trend line here. Some people don't use trend line, they call themselves ICT traders. Me, I'm just a price chart analyst and also a price action / SMC trader. So you see, it mustn't really respect it. I know what I'm looking at, because this low is high, sorry, this high is higher than this low. I know it's the higher low, right? So I'll wait and see. I still switch to the lower time frame, because this is a 4 hours time frame, right? I even started looking at from my weekly time frame. I just don't want to go there, because it's showing me bullish there, it's in correlation, but then there is a resistance around this area, so you never can tell. There might actually be a little retracement downwards. Already it's even coming down, can you see? After we've taken our profit today, thank God. So sometimes, right, it can actually make you feel like, why not take your profit? Imagine when price was around here, it wasn't giving me that sign like it's going to reach up, but because I really want to respect my strategy, I had to leave it to take my profit. I could have taken this profit on Friday, I could have closed in profit, but no, I wanted to reach my target. My target was like the former high. When you look at it, my target was like this former highs, right? So looking at it, price is coming down. Let's see when it comes down to this point. I'm not buying tomorrow till after the news. Let me see how the news comes out, and let's see what happens. I'm waiting for a break here, then I know that yes, we are bullish, right? But I already know that it's already making higher lows, and this is a resistance point, right? And price is around that resistance area. So thank you.